Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Dracula. So let's start drawing. First, draw the top of the heart shape. Then draw half a square on top with rounded corners. On the left side, draw a leaf shape and decorate it with a couple of lines inside. Repeat the same steps on the other side to finish the ear. Draw another half square at the bottom with rounded corners to finish the face outline. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Inside the face, draw two curves for the eyes, a slightly tilted letter V for the nose. For the mouth, draw a big curve and close it at the bottom with a half oval shape. Then draw the sharp teeth inside. Draw half a circle at the right side of the face. Then draw a horizontal line coming out from the left side with 3 fingers at the end. Then draw a long curved line coming down. And another similar one on the other side. Connect them together at the bottom with some leaf shapes. Draw a shape that looks like a horn at the top left corner of the head, connecting to the ear. Then draw a line connecting the ear to the hand. On the other side, draw half a moon shape coming up from the shoulder. Then connect it to the head with a small curved line to finish the color of the cape. Spooky! Now you can draw Dracula. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.